Okay, now that we've removed the material, just like it'll get cut off on the bandsaw from our top view and our side view, what we want to do is we want to combine these two views together over here in our final area so we can see what this will actually look like if we use these designs and cut it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to select just a single click on your top view. We are going to copy and paste this over here in the final number 1 area. So copy is Control C on your keyboard, and paste is Control V as in victory. And it copied that. Notice that the text on top that said no cut zone did not copy over. Don't worry about that. We don't need that there. Get your black selection arrow again and select your side view. Same thing, Control C as in cut, Control V as in victory for paste. And I'm just going to set them on top of each other for right now. Let me rotate around. I kind of like setting this up from this end. It is highlighted in blue, and that's what we want, but if it's not, get your black selection arrow, click on this top one so it's highlighted. We're going to use this move tool, the one with the 4 arrows on it. Select that. We're going to grab this bottom point of our side view, and we are going to set it on top of the bottom corner of the top view. Okay? So now those should be exactly lined up, which I can tell that those did exactly line up. They have to be exactly lined up for this to work, ladies and gentlemen, so be careful with what you're doing, okay? Bring this back around. Okay, now, this last step to get what this design is going to really look like, I'm going to unselect things here so that nothing, just click into space and that will unselect. We're going to use this, these are our solid tools up here, and you should have these toolbars set up. We're going to use this solid tool called intersect. So if I select that, as I mouse over these, you see how that's the top view, that's the side view. Top view, side view. And it's selecting them and it says that they're solid groups. If it does not say that they are solid groups and has kind of like an X or a crossed out symbol, then you've got problems and you're going to have to see me about that. Or just back up and try redoing some things. Maybe you were drawing on top of the group instead of editing the group. I don't know. We'd have to take a look at it. But this is what you want. So I'm going to select my top view, click, and now see how it's got a number 2 on it? Click on that side view. And it just combined those two views. So when we look down on this from the top, that is my top view. We look at it from the front, that is my side view, but they've been combined together into one shape. And that's what this car would look like if I cut it out using that as the side view, that as the top view. This is what the end result would look like. This is very useful because it can be hard to understand how these drawings are really going to materialize into a CO2 car shape if we only looked at them separate. But here we've got them together, and now it really kind of makes sense to me, and I say, oh, yeah, I like that, or maybe I don't like that, or okay, that's one idea, and I've got 9 others that I'm going to do. That's okay. And we'll stop this here. Next, we'll position our wheels, okay?